We're here in Luxor, Egypt, at the hotel. Our room is on the second floor right up there. Beautiful evening here. Sun's getting ready to set. Swimming pool here, and that's the Nile River right out there. It's a beautiful property here. There's a little girl there in her dress. A lot of palm trees. Oh, they're taking some pictures over that way, like wedding pictures or something. I'll go this way. We're on the east bank, sun setting over there, west bank. I see the kids sitting down there. This is our last night here. Been busy. It's the first time I've actually walked around. The kids have. I haven't been where we're at right now. I have not been down here till just now. And this is our fourth and last night. And it's Friday night.